everyone. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Hope everyone had a great weekend. We have a lot to go through this evening, getting ready for the new week. All right, so let's get right into it. Welcome, everyone. Welcome. All right, we're going to start with big picture here. All right, so your big macro, there's a lot going on. All right, so let's go through. Um, let's go to the markets. Okay. We'll start with, let's see right here. All right. We start with, we have a sell signal on the Dow. Now that sell signal came in on Friday. All right. And we'll take a look at that sell, actually a sell short signal. Okay. Um, but the Dow, right? We're going to start here with the Dow. Big picture now. That's big picture on the weekly time frame. All right. We had some selling the last couple of weeks. Okay. Um, Now we need to hold 36,500 guys on the Dow. Hey, Anthony, welcome, Anthony, welcome. All right. So here's the pullback here. All right. Purple support and resistance, but we need to hold 36,000 on the Dow, right? This is on the weekly time frame. We'll take a look at the daily. We do have a sell short signal on the daily. All right, so that's the Dow. All right. The NASDAQ, right, holding resistance right here, guys. There's a good chance. Now, the markets were down. All right, Dow was down almost 500 points. NASDAQ, Russell, S&P were all down. Bitcoin is currently down. All right. Now Bitcoin is struggling to hold 64,000. Right. Remember we talked about Bitcoin needs to hold 64,000. If it breaks that and close below, that's a concern. All right. Same thing here. All right. For the NASDAQ, the NASDAQ needs to hold above. What's that here? 16,000 on the NASDAQ right here. So it really does need to hold. If that price breaks down, we could see sellers come in heavy, all right, on the NASDAQ. S&P, right, pulling back, right? So basically 1 week here. Last week was the first week of a bit of a pullback, purple support and resistance. All right, it is a distance from previous resistance here, which is now support. So the Dow is much closer, but we'll keep an eye on the S&P. Russell is now trading below resistance here. All right, buy signal here. Russell is trading below. So that's a concern for the Russell right here. Remember, this is all big picture. All right, big macro. The commodity index, we did get a buy signal last week on the commodity index. We've been talking about commodities moving higher, right? Energy, right? Gold, crude oil, all moving higher. All right. We're anticipating a move in crude oil. All right. So commodity index buy signal here. You guys can see that there. That came in last week. All right. Crude oil. All right. We don't have a buy signal in crude oil yet. That should come in anytime now. Right. See buyers coming in here. That buy signal might come in right on that break of resistance right here. All right. Crude oil is right about, what's that? $85 a barrel. If crude oil gets anywhere up in this area right here, which is $100 a barrel. All right. So right here is $100 a barrel. That's would be very concerning. All right. Even if it gets around 95, right, anywhere in here, that's very concerning. All right. We could see the markets really come down. Markets do not like crude oil that high. All right. So now it's at 85 and it is moving higher. If we can look here. All right. So the last several weeks, right, these are weekly candles. See here, right? Crude oil has been moving higher, came from a low of about 71 at 85 right now. All right. If it breaks that resistance right here, that's concerning. All right. But we can certainly profit from that move. All right. Gold is still holding. Gold is at 2,374 right now. All right. Um, we'll see. It's done it before here, right? Done it before here and came back down. Did it before here, made a spike up. Right here was about, was that 2,300 and change? Right here was around 2,200 and change. And here we are again. All right. So we'll see if it can hold. I'm not trusting this move in gold. All right. Gold has been in a consolidation, very tight consolidation, guys, right through here since 2020. All right. So 4 years later, this is what it's trying to do here. We'll see if this will hold. All right. So if it can consolidate up here, get some new support and resistance levels. All right. And so it's got to hold, get some new support and resistance levels here. All right. And then break that resistance. But we can see gold come back down just like it's done here in the past. Here, here, even here, even here. All right. So we'll see. I'm not trusting this move yet in gold. Okay. All right. Dollar. We're waiting on a buy signal. This is on the weekly time frame. We do have a buy signal on the dollar. All right, on the daily. So dollar here on the weekly time frame, it's breaking out. All right, that should help our dollar pairs. All right, so we just need a buy signal here. We don't have to get it. All right, we're doing good on the daily time frame, and we'll take a look at that. But this would be nice if we can get a buy signal here on the weekly time frame on the dollar. Bitcoin, as I mentioned, Bitcoin needs to hold. Got 64,000 right here. So it's back, right? Made a high all the way to about 72. And guess what? Gap down and it's trying to hold. I think it made a low. Bitcoin made a low at around 60. Was that? Yeah, 60, 62 overnight, 63, 62 overnight. And it's just, it gapped down. That's not good when this price is gapped down, just like it did here. It gapped down here, gap down here. That's not good. Okay, so we'll see what it does. All right, but does need to hold 64,000 resistance right here. Okay, yen is moving lower. Pound yen holding resistance right here. Again, with pound yen, that needs to hold as these markets move lower, though. Right, yen, pound yen could make a move lower. Look at here, it's very high, very overbought. All right, very overbought here. So, and it's holding resistance right here. Again, pound yen will move with uh, the overall equity markets. Bonds still low, right? No bid on bonds yet. All right. So if the markets continue to move lower, we could see bonds move higher. All right. So, but we don't have a trade yet currently. Right. Dollar index right here. Dollar index, buyers are coming into the dollar index. All right, buy signal here. All right, buy dollar index, strong buy signal, strong breakout. Currently, it's up. All right, futures are up currently also. All right, let's take a look at current positions. Current positions in Monster Scalper. All right, current positions in Monster Scalper. All right. Yen pairs, New Zealand yen. All right. Sell signal, red candle here. Buy signal was here, red candle. Close that trade, please. That's not a surprise. Pound yen, buy signal here, red candle came in, sell signal right here. Close that trade, please. Pound yen. SGD JPY, same thing. Buy signal was here, failed, red candle. All right. We talked about these yen pairs could fail. All right. So close that trade, please. SGD JPY, HKD JPY. This one is holding. Buy signal here, holding firm. Right. Buyers are holding. Needs to break past that resistance right here. Euro yen. All right. Euro yen. Sell buy signal here, broke support right here, should be out of this trade. Okay. Euro, yen. HKD, JPY. All right. That's holding. We talked about this one. New Zealand, Swiss. All right. Buy signal here. Broke support right here. Red candle. We should be out of that trade. New Zealand, Swiss. So you guys see what's happening here. New Zealand CAD, buy signal here, red candle, close that trade. All right. Dollar pairs should be doing fine. All right. We looked at the dollar index. Okay. So USD CZK, buy signal here on the break of resistance right here. All right. Buy signal holding firm. USD PLN, buy signal here. Let's do this here. Hold on. Go ahead and bring in your lines. All right. So USD PLN. All right. USD CNH. All right. That's holding firm here. We need to break through that resistance right here. All right. It's breaking through here. So USD CNH. All right. Dollar Swiss. All right. Buy signal here. It's holding firm here. Needs to break resistance right here. USD SGD. All right. Good trade going here. All right. Let's remove this. All right. Buy signal here. Good price action. There. USD ZAR. Dollar ZAR. All right. Dollar ZAR. All right. Buy signal here. Breaking resistance. Bring in your lines. The dollar pairs look good to keep on moving. We'll see what happens overnight. All right. Dollar ZAR. We looked at PLN. SEK, USD SEK. All right. Broke resistance here. Buy signal here. It's holding so far. Here's your markdown phase. Markdown phase right here, but this is your pullback right here. All right, so needs to hold and continue to move higher. USD SEK, USD MXN. All right, good markdown phase. All right, first target right up here. Okay. All right, USD HUF. USD HUF broke resistance here, holding firm. Watch out for this area here. All right, we have highs here, right? We need to get past this area here. And USDN, okay. All right, buy signal here. And we just need movement here. Let's see here. Now the dollar, let's see here. The dollar index on the daily time frame. All right. We know it's breaking out here. The next area is all the way up here. All right. So we need the dollar to continue to move higher. Like I said, it's up right now, right? This is what it did last week. All right. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday here. All right, we need that dollar index to get past this area right here. All right, and then move higher. So right now it's at 105. All right, we need that to keep going higher. All right. Now, if that happens, equities will come on down. All right. Okay. So, but we need that to happen. We need equities to come on down. All right. And it is happening. All right. We need that to happen. All right. Let's take a look at Forex Dominator. All right. So long positions in Forex Dominator. Aussie yen, close that trade, please. Buy signal was here. Sell signal, break of support, red candle, close that trade, please. No surprise there with these yen pairs. CAD yen, same thing. All right. Buy signal was here. Sell signal, close that trade. That should be out of here. All right. Euro yen. All right, euro yen, buy signal here, sell signal here. Hold on. I'm sorry, guys. Wrong chart. Hold on. That's the 240. Hold on. Moving too fast here. We need the daily time frame here. So let's bring back Aussie CAD. Let's see here. So AUDJPY. AUDJPY. All right, let's see what it's doing here. All right, so Aussie yen buy signal was here, pull back, and it's holding right now. So previous resistance becomes support. Green candle here, so it's holding right now for now. Keep an eye on it. So let's add it back here. Aussie yen. All right, euro yen. All right, buy signal here. All right, it's trading below resistance. All right, we'll close this trade here. All right, look what can happen here. It can come all the way back down here, guys. So it's no longer trading above resistance here. All right, so euro yen, close that trade, please. Pound yen. All right, pound yen. All right, let's see if that's holding the trend line. It is trading above resistance. Still keep an eye on it though. Okay. Still holding above resistance, holding that trend there for now. For now. HKDJPY, that's holding firm here. SGDJPY, all right, that's holding purpose support and resistance. But keep an eye on these yen pairs, guys. Dollar yen, that's holding. ZAR yen, holding here. Purpose support and resistance. Keep an eye on it. All right, we don't want this to happen here. So buy signal is here, still holding there. Aussie CAD, buy signal was here, now trading below resistance. It is holding that trend line, but we'll go ahead and clean that up. Aussie CAD, clean that up. Aussie Swiss, all right, Aussie Swiss, not bad. Buy signal here, right about in here. A bit of a pullback, but holding firm here. All right, so let's remove this and this so that we can see that move. So, all right, we need that price to continue to move higher there. Aussie Swiss. All right, Aussie New Zealand. All right, we'll go ahead and close this trade here. All right, this is where sellers are sitting. Let's move this. All right, and all right, and look what it's doing here. Buy signal was here, but look here, it's pulling back. All right, just like it did here. It's not holding above resistance. So we'll close this trade. Aussie, New Zealand. All right, let's take a second look at Aussie Swiss. Aussie Swiss is holding. It is holding that upward trend line there. Euro Swiss. All right, Euro Swiss. Same thing here. Buy signal here. Reached its first target, second target, holding here. All right, let's close that. Euro Swiss. because we could see a rotation. All right. Euro New Zealand. All right. Let's see here. Euro New Zealand. Buy signal here. It's not holding, right? Just at support here. Previous resistance is support. Let's close this, right? Nothing is happening here. New Zealand, Euro New Zealand. All right. Pound Swiss. Pound Swiss. Take profits here. All right. All right. Pound Swiss. All right. We were looking at buy signal here. Right, reached its first target here. We have a lot of resistance here, guys, and now it's pulling back. All right, so it's trading right here. That's too bad. We wanted this trade to get above this area here, then target this area, but look here, it's pulling back right now. So take profits here. Okay, pound New Zealand. All right, all right. Buy signal here, just holding right here, not holding above resistance. So we'll close that also. Okay. Small loss, small profit there. USD TRY, that's still holding. Okay. So the name of the game, guys, is kind of clean things up just in case. All right. Just in case. Let's take a look at Monster Futures. So E-mini, S&P E-mini, that's still holding. Crude oil. Crude oil still holding its buy signal. All right, guys, we could see a big move in crude oil, okay? Gold is still holding, as we talked about. All right, so that's holding. Equities. Let's take a look at equities for tomorrow. All right. Equities for tomorrow. After the down day on Friday, I wouldn't be surprised if we've got some sell signals. All right. So ACDC, and we will look for opportunities in Monster Scalper this evening. ACDC. All right, we got a bounce on Friday. So for now, we'll hold it. IE, all right, that's holding. That's basic material. All right, NG is holding. All right, NKTR, that's healthcare. That's holding. Nice move there. ORGN, close this trade, guys. All right, buy signal here, white candle here. All right, close this trade. ORGN. PUMP, pump, that's holding. RIG, all right, RIG is holding. Pump and RIG, those are energy stocks. Talk, all right, Talk is still holding. And TTI is still holding here. All right. All right. And that's energy. All right. Like I said, we could see a move in energy this week. All right. Bullmaster had some selling. Let's go through this. ARHS, that's holding. All right. Buy signal here. All right. Really good trade going here. NEW, that's holding. That's basic materials. HCC Energy, that's holding. TDW Energy, that's holding. All right. MATV, basic materials. Let's close this trade here. White candle coming in, breaking support right here. That's not good. Gap down right here. That's not good. So MATV, close that trade. That's holding. ALGN, that's holding so far. All right. It's to recapture that right here. Here's resistance right here. Buy signal all the way down here. Okay. But we have a new down here. So keep an eye on it. Okay. XPOF. Close that trade, please. And that's a new down, white candle breaking support here. All right. Close that trade. All right. CLS, that's technology. All right. Close that trade, please. Okay. It's extended, guys. I know we don't have a purpose support and resistance, but this price action went from $12 to 44. All right. The last buy signal we had was at $30, and here it is at 44, and that's technology. And I know we don't have a sell signal yet in technology, but that could come. We do have a sell signal, sell short signal. All right. On the Dow right here. All right. We've got to take this sell short signal very, very seriously. So that could happen. That could come in on the NASDAQ also. Okay. We should get a sell. If we get some selling in the market tomorrow, any amount of selling tomorrow, we could get a sell short signal on the Russell. VIX is at 17. All right. So we know that, right? That's getting close to 20. That's not good territory. All right. So close that stock. We only have 4 sectors here that are up. All the rest of these sectors are red and down. All right. So market is under pressure. So keep that in mind. All right. So this technology stock here. All right. Let's see here. Which one was it? All right. CLS, that's technology. Close that. All right. Take profits. Take profits here. All right. White candle here. Normally, if we were bullish, right, this would be just a pullback. But given the condition of the market, right, these sectors and indexes close this trade. CLS. All right. All right. That's holding. That's holding. That's holding. Holding. Hood is holding. All right. Kavana CVNA closed. All right. So buy signal was here. Hit support right here. Red candle, sell signal, close that trade, please. All right. There's every indication here we should be out. Okay. So, and that's purpose support and resistance high in the markup phase. Okay. All right. OPRA, again, technology. Buy signal was here. White candle close. That's technology, guys. All right. So the buy signal was at 1406. Closed on Friday, 15. 15 closed that trade. Okay. All right. Coin. All right. That's holding firm right here. But I would go through your trades, guys. Make sure if it's not energy, if it's not basic materials, you might want to really rethink. If it's not holding, like this is technology, but it's holding. But if you get a white candle to come in, you might as well close it. All right. All right. We could see sellers come in heavy. All right. Let me show you guys what's going on in Monster Short. All right. I send out a video, right, on these markets over the weekend. It is critical that we, if we're trading equities, to be very, very careful. We're seeing short sellers come in. Either that or the institutions are dumping. All right. So there is right now, there is 288 stocks. All right. Um, and some ETFs are in here too that are moving lower. Okay. So just be aware of that. Okay. See right here. So broke support here, sell short signal. All right. And this made a high of 67. Sell short signal came in at 56. Right. It can go all the way back down here at 34. All right. So, and if we go here to Stock Boss and Bullmaster, you guys will notice we don't have any stocks to trade right now. And that's a clue. That's a big clue. All right. I wouldn't be surprised. I haven't looked at I know futures are up right now. Um, I wouldn't be surprised though if we're down, but we'll see if we're down tomorrow. All right, Stock Boss. I'm just going to run Heat Seeker here. Let's run it to see. All right, 12 stocks. Those of you who've been with us for a while, when was the last time we saw 12 stocks in Heat Seeker? All right, long time. All right, that's not good. Something is going on. Okay, Bull Master, let's run it here. 10 in Bull Master. All right, so guess what? All right, something is going on. All right, buyers are getting out, sellers are coming in. Okay, that's the bottom line. All right. Our US 30 traders, there's a short we called, all right, short here. We called on, I believe it was Friday. All right. We have a sell short signal on the daily time frame. So no more longs for now. All right. We have a sell short signal on the daily time frame on the US 30. All right. Support is not until all the way down here. We might get some support in this area here. All right. But really, support is down here. So look at that price action. All right. Sell short signal here. Here we are right here on the daily. All right. And we call the short here. All right. Right here. All right. If that short, if it fails, let's say we get buyers to push that price higher, get back into that box here, I would be careful going long. You might just want to wait for the next short. Okay. Because overall, right now, shorts, no longs. Okay. And look at everything is telling us price is moving lower. Look here. Down. It's going down here. Okay. So any pullback like it's done here before is an opportunity to perhaps go short. Okay. And that's the same with the NAS. All right. See the short here, great short here in the NAS. All right. So any buy-in, just be careful. Any buy-in, all right, might be an opportunity to go short again. Okay. All right. I want to spend some time in Monster Scalper. So we're done with these. Just remember big picture. We went through big picture. Hold on. See the dollar is moving up. All right. Dollar is up. Futures are up right now, but dollar is up. These are down. I know they're up right now. Okay. A lot of times, right, what we'll find is when the markets are bullish, when they're bullish, all right, we'll open the market will open down and then finish up for the day. Doesn't happen every time, but that's usually what happens. When the market becomes bearish, the market will open up for the day and end down. All right, open up in the morning and down for the day. Okay, and what's happening is buyers I don't want to say the dumb money, but traders that are not sophisticated will get in and start buying because of a down. The market was down on Friday, right? And they want to get in to get a low price, and then the short sellers will come in right in the afternoon, all right, or sometimes late morning to push that price lower. All right, so um, be careful of that. Right now, market's moving lower. Okay. All right, monster scalper. Let's go through. Let's find some opportunities. All right, so monster scalper long. All right, monster scalper long. You guys know we're in most of the dollar pairs. Let's see here. Let's see if we can find any more. Most of these we've sent out alerts for. So dollars are SGD. We're in that one. We're in that one. NOK, USD, NOK. We're in that one. MXN, we're in that one. What's that? HUF, we're in that one. DKK, we're in that one. All right, CZK, we're in that one. So most of these we're in already. CNH, we're in that one. Swiss, dollar Swiss, we're in that one. And dollar CAD, dollar CAD. I think we missed dollar CAD. All right. So if anyone took dollar CAD, good job. All right. All right. All right. Wait on the euro pairs. These euro pairs should go long. But just wait. Still a lot of selling in here. Okay. Let's take a look at shorts. See if we can find any shorts. Aussie dollar, that's gone. All right, Aussie New Zealand, we'll add Aussie New Zealand. Okay. All right, we would like to see, right, Aussie, New Zealand, and yen pairs move lower. Okay. So Aussie, New Zealand, good markdown phase. Hey, Solomon, welcome. Good markup phase, sell short signal. We need that price to come on down. Okay. Guys, still be careful. You know, we could have buyers come in strong, right, on tomorrow and push this market up. I mean, they're really wanting this market to go higher. All right, so Aussie New Zealand short in Monster Scalper, Aussie Swiss short, in Monster Scalper. All right, honestly, we need this market to come down. We do. To get some. We are traders, right? We are traders. We're not investors. So we need good trades. We need volatility. We need movement. All right. If this market stays like this, all right, we need it to open up, things to break out. All right. New Zealand Swiss, nothing here. New Zealand CAD. Wait on New Zealand CAD. Nothing here. These yen pairs are all over the place. Look at this. Look at this consolidation here. All right, it's on the 240. Even on the smaller time frames, right? It's still difficult trading. Look at that. So we need this market to open up. We don't care up or down, long as it's moving. Nothing here. Nothing here. So the dollar pairs, guys, that's it. So the dollar pairs, that's about it. So just stick with, like you guys see here, most of these, that's the dollar pairs. So hopefully, hope that's the only trade right now. Hopefully the dollar continues to hold and move higher. Okay. Um, I want to show you guys here commodities, right? See here, we don't spend a lot of time here on futures track. We basically focus on the dollar. But if you guys look here, here is your E-minis. See the E-minis? They're all down here. All right. So the S&P, Russell, NASDAQ, they're all down. And this is on the daily. Daily right here. They're all down. That's important to know. Right? Currencies, they're all down here. The only one that's up is the dollar. Right? So that's the Australian dollar, British pound, CAD, Canadian dollar. All right. That's the euro, Japanese, Swiss. They're all down. They're all down. Right? The dollar is the only one that's up. All of these E-minis, S&P, Russell, NASDAQ. All right. This is in the futures market, guys. They're all down. Okay. And then here's commodities. They're mainly up. All right. Then this is gold, silver, gold here. This is commodity index, crude oil. That's the next trade. I mean, there's no guarantee. Precious metal here, but that's what this is telling us. All right. Equities right here, down. All right. Commodities moving higher. It's still very early. All right. They're breaking out. And bonds are down right now. Okay. So we got to pay attention to this. All right. Pay attention to this. All right. I'm going to end here. Um, Bitcoin. And as you guys know, whether you trade Bitcoin or other currencies out there, all right, these cryptocurrencies will follow Bitcoin. And right now, Bitcoin is at 65. All right, 64. If Bitcoin closes below 64, just like it did here, sellers came in heavy. Just like it did here, sellers came in heavy. If it closes below 64 this week, we've got to give it till the end of the week. If it doesn't hold above 65, closes below 64, that's a concern. That's a major concern. All right. If that happens, our buy signal here will close. 64,000 is right here. And here it is right about here. All right. Now support, we have further support at 60,000. Okay. But if it's got white candles, you guys see here, white candles are coming in here. Notice last time we got white candles, then a red candle, then a sell signal to close the trade. Here's our buy signal here. So we got white candles coming in, just like it did here, guys. All right. So if we get a red candle, it's going to close that trade. All right. And we could see price come much, much lower. Okay. All right. So we'll see that sell signal coming first on the daily. All right. And we won't see it on the weekly time frame. Not until it gets perhaps all the way down here at perhaps 40,000 if it gets that low. Right. The last time it failed and that buy signal failed, that sell signal came in right here at about 39, 40,000. Okay. But again, we're trading it on that daily time frame here. So keep an eye on that. All right. If it can bounce, buyers come back in, closes above this area here, green candles, and then has to break through that resistance and hold. It has to hold above 64,000, right? Might be fine. Okay, I think I saw one alert came in that some of them closed. So Litecoin closed. All right, that's a clue. All right, so Litecoin closed. All right, sellers came in here. This is Bitcoin Cash. Look at Bitcoin Cash. See, coming on down. All right, Ethereum closed. Look here. All right. So what do you guys think will happen to Bitcoin? It will probably close to. All right. Ethereum buy signal was here at 2,400 and change. All right. Sell signal came in right here today, right here as we speak, right here. That closed at 3,000 and change. Okay. So there's a good chance Bitcoin. So they're closing, guys. The move is done for now. All right, the move is done. They don't go up forever. All right. All right. If it comes down, buyers come back in, breaks a resistance level, we'll have another opportunity. But if it doesn't and they sell it, it could keep going much lower. All right, guys. So a lot of information to go over. This week will be an important week. All right, for the markets. If I was a betting man, I would bet that this market, which I'm not, all right, this is why we do this, so that we don't have to bet. All right, we can trade the price, but it looks like these markets are coming down. All right, it looks like equity markets are coming down. Okay, it looks like Bitcoin wants to come down. All right, all right. Okay, I will see everyone tomorrow. All right. Be careful this week. Lots of volatility. We know volatility is picking up. It is definitely picking up, right? In equities, we're at 17. Where is it? Hold on. Yep, it's right here. 17, 17, 31. All right. If that number gets above 20, that's a concern. If it moves higher, and you guys know it was at 12 all the way down here at 12, and you see it keeps moving up. Green candle, right? Closed last week. If it starts getting up in this area, up in here, that's not good for the equity markets. Okay, stocks will come down hard. All right, we've added the Magnificent Seven. And I know we don't trade those, but they're, big traders love these big stocks, big expensive stocks. All right. Like Amazon and Google, right? They were all down on Friday. We'll watch them to see, because if they go, all right, that's what's holding up. See, right? NVIDIA has a sell signal here. So Tesla is already very bearish. Right, very, very bearish territory for Tesla. All right, all right. So we keep an eye. It should be a busy week. Lots of we're gonna see this market be challenged this week. That's for sure. Okay. All right, guys. I'll see everyone tomorrow. All right. Take care. Good trading. Bye bye.